Now I need to remember which one is for which side. I mean, just fiberglass pieces here. Let's set this one on this side. Okay, so just put the tires on these so that when I mark these, I know where everything has to go so the tire isn't rubbing on. Oh, this is the first time I've been able to get tires on my airplane. So now see that I need to do a little bit of work. I've got to take this wire on this side is binding, damn it. It's just too far out. Oh well. I'll have to make do, but I'm not going to cut this outside. I don't want the outside cut because I want that to look good. What I'll have to do is I'll have to set this plate up just a little bit. This wheel just doesn't want to fit in here perfect. What I'll have to do is I'll have to get this line just perfect. Then I'll trace around the bottom here. And we'll cut out the material so that I can glass this wheel pad to the wing. But you see, I don't know if I'll pick it up here if you can see this, but it's not lining up. And I can't get this over far enough unless I cut this. I don't want to cut that. No. So, I'm going to do my best here. And then when I line it up, I'll leave this inside pant out just a bit. That's, I can adjust. This will make it so the tire turns freely inside there. So, there's the exact position. Okay, now to cut around the outside, now you see, I'm not going to draw a line. I'm using an X-Acto, and I'm cutting the monocoat only. You don't want to cut into the wing. Okay? Now, I'm only cutting a couple places. See, there, Randy's bad. I cut through the wing. Okay. We're going to take all the monocoat off in this one. Just some of it. So this wheel pad can be stuck in there just right. Using 5-minute epoxy. Okay. So now, I've got sort of a pattern here. I'm going to go across to the front here. I'm going to try and I don't need all this monocoat off. All I need is just a little bit here. Should maybe got a new blade in here. So I should do it right back. Okay, new blade. So let's do what I want here. So, and over here, take off a little bit, and over here. Now, I don't know if this is necessary, because there's really no structural take on this landing gear, right? So, but we'll make sure that it's epoxy to the wood in some places. Not every place. Come on. No, that's no spot. There we go. There we go. There. Now, that should be enough. So when I epoxy this wheel pan down, it'll make a good contact with the wood. And voila. That'll be a good one. Yes, it will. Huh. Okay. So, that side's done. Let's get the other side done. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. We'll line it up. We'll cut out the monocoat. And then we'll epoxy these on one at a time. I want to hold them in place, but now I'm going to try to get this wheel centered here. That's about perfect. Oh darn. Okay, now get my knife ready. And there. Okay, now we'll take that off. And we'll cut just a smidgen inside that line, right? Then what we'll do is we'll peel this off, and it'll bear some wood that I can stick the wheel pans to, see? Okay, and here, there. I better cut the end so it doesn't take too much monocoat off. Because I don't have any. If I did, I couldn't fix it. Okay, so if your knife is really sharp, it helps with this. Okay. Nowhere in the kit does it say any of this. So I don't know about these wheel pans. They seem like very difficult. But they do look nice. They're GB, isn't it GB with those wheel pans? Take this paint scheme. There we go. I got enough bared. I'm happy with that. Like I said, the wheels are attached to the hard wires here of the landing gear. So, that should be able to do it. But hey, I'm going to get these on like this. And epoxy them on. Get the tires on. And then mount these things back on. And we got this landing gear done. I've been a long time waiting to finish this. Here we go. We're going to start epoxy right away.